Alright, I'm putting this out here as kind of a public service announcement of do not buy black mufflers. I like to consider myself a halfway decent welder, but welding these hangers on was the biggest nightmare. So you can see, this is all stainless. This part on the muffler is stainless. However, the rest of this is not. The tips are stainless, but everything else is mild steel, which is not the biggest deal breaker. It's painted, but I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell. You can kind of see a little bit lighter gray right there. So this is mild steel, and I'm assuming it's either aluminized or galvanized sheet that the body of this is made out of. Just fine, you can clean out the top of it, but it's real thin, so if you get it just barely hot enough to melt through the real thin outer layer, it pops and explodes everywhere, and then your tungsten and your cup look like that. It's a bad time. I just gave up and went with it, but yeah, these are made out of something that's not does not weld very good. So if you want a black muffler, just get a shiny one and paint it black. Don't buy the ones that are already black, because who knows kind of crap this is made out of, because it was a bad time. So do with this information what you will. Catch you guys in the next one.